The first Bitcoin and the gold ETF has been launched. Brazil Senate gives the Bitcoin a green light, and institutional investors have a high expectation to the future of crypto. My name is Anuj, and this is your nightly crypto news wrap up. Let's get it. What do you get when Bitcoin meets gold? In today's renditions of when old meets new, Bold is the name of a new exchange trade product of ETF that combines two assets, gold and Bitcoin. 21 Share, the world's largest crypto ETF provider, have tweeted out together with ByteTree Asset Management. 21 Share officially launched Bold, an ETP aiming to deliver inflation protection by tracking an index that gives optimal risk adjusted exposure to Bitcoin and gold. This is the first ETP that combines Bitcoin and gold. Today, 21 Share announced that its listing is on the 6th Swiss exchange. Upon launch, the weighting of Bold ETP is 18.5% Bitcoin and 81.5% gold. The ratio is rebalanced on monthly basis of the comparative volatility between the two. What then mean is whichever of the two is less volatile will hold the majority of the ratio. So no surprise there. Charlie Eric, the CEO of Byte3, stated gold has historical delivered portfolio protection in inflationary environments, while Bitcoin is the digital equivalent of gold, with growing adoption by investors as a distinct asset class and a core store of wealth. In a time of rising cultural inflation and heightened geopolitical risk, we believe this can act as an important risk and return diversify in a balanced portfolio. Just like with Fidelity offering Bitcoin in 401k. Considering the rate of mass adoption, more and more base crypto investment options will continue to roll out on the global scale. It's happening. The current price might not reflect the progress, but the dominance are falling in our favor. Before we know it, the crypto is going to be a global standard. How do I know that? This week alone, I have seen headlines the other countries giving crypto a green light that I have in a long time. On Monday, it was a Central African Republic, and yes, they are adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. Today, though Brazil is the country making headlines. Back in 2015, Brazil crypto bill unfortunately shut down because they didn't have the support they needed. This year, the bill was reinstituted by the Senate President Rodrigo Pacheco. And guess what? This time the Senate said yes. Let's go, Rodrigo. Now, the bill goes to the vote in the chambers of deputies, similar to our House of Representatives, before President Jair Bolsonaro sign it into law. The vote is expected to be favorable, and Brazil Crypto Light will officially turn green in 2022. They still have to figure out who is going to be regulatory body and the details like that. But this is a big for crypto. Brazil is the largest country in the South America, and the vote is 99% likely to be passed. Considering the Rio de Janeiro already announced plans to accept the crypto payment taxes. Bullish news for Brazil. But is there any bullish news in the charts? So let's do a little market watch. Alright, we got Bitcoin coming in at $39,178, up about 3.18% on a day. We got Ethereum sitting in at $2,882, up about 2.75% on a day. Tether strong in home loan $1. Then we got BNB sitting in at $390, up almost 2% on the day. Look at our own top gainers. Secret up almost 16%, sitting at $4.68. We got STPN is still on a Terra. It's up about 14.54% on the day. And then we got Convent Finance up about 13% and coming in at $27.44. And you know ApeCoin is still on a little bit of a tear here. Up almost $20, coming in at $19.42. Up 7% on the day and 13% on the week. Alright, the losers for today. Kalia sitting here at 43, down about 3% on the day, almost 3.4. We got Monero at $229, down 1.9% on the day. Then we got Tezos $2.79, down 1.7% on the day. I just bring it over the Bitcoin USD chart. It's look like we are forming a support right here at the 37.7k mark. Hopefully this holds. You saw it held on $32.995. It got to touch here at $34.330. Hopefully we can hold this right here. If we not, it might be get ugly. I can see the teasing of downward sloping resistance appear at $46,600, and it could happen this real quick over on Ethereum. We got resistance and support, same as the Bitcoin. We got touchdown here $2,173. We had a touch at $2,297. Hopefully we can hold this golden pocket right there. If we not, we might come around at $2,600. And if we start going back up, that will be around $3,700. Now back to the news. The theme of today's video is that the message I have been repeating since the beginning of 2022. It's crucial to develop a long-term mindset, because next time is the market going up into the right, it's going to be mental. I heard the rumblings. The nation could be further from the truth. It's no secret that we are in a bear market right now, but my optimism for the future are more bullish than ever. Listen, crypto is built of Max Payne. The charts do everything they can do to try to weed out the non-believers, so they are not on the rocket when it launches to the moon. I make this video every day, so I want you to believe, and I want the big squad to be there when the rocket launches to the moon. It's inevitable. So how do I know? How I am so sure? 2022 is the year global adoption kicked into the overdrive. Countries are giving green light to crypto left to right. The biggest companies and celebrities in the pop culture are aligning themselves with crypto. And most importantly, the institution is now in the way of this big game. If you don't believe me, believe in the headlines of finbold.com that reads 80% of institutional investors believe to crypto overtake traditional investments in 10 years. This Times recently did a survey of over 28,000 investors from 23 different countries, 5,500 of which are institutional investors. The results are paramount. The finding shows that 88% of institutional investors and 75% of retail investors believes that the crypto will see mainstream adoption within a decade. In response to this, the CEO of Bitstamp, Julian Sauer, stated, "The adoption of crypto and the other digital assets is advancing at an unpredictable rate. Just this week alone, Central African Republic and Brazil put this in motion. Mexican Senate building even gets its own crypto ATM as they prepare to regulate crypto. They are saying crypto will see mainstream adoption within a decade. But it's happening right now." That's all I got. Thank you.